Hello everyone and welcome back to your computer session. In today's session we are going to learn about word processor and we'll learn about Microsoft as a word processor. So let's see what we are going to continue in this session. We will be learning the definition of word processor, what is Microsoft Word, what is the main purpose of Microsoft Word, steps to open Microsoft Word, and the contents of a Word window. Let's begin. A word processor is software or a device that allows users to create, edit, and print documents. It enables you to write text, store it electronically, display it on a screen, modify it by entering commands and characters from the keyboard, and print it. Of all computer applications, word processing is the most common. Now, what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing program that allows you to create documents such as letters, articles, term papers, and reports, and you can revise them also easily. Word is much more powerful than WordPad because of the many built-in tools such as spell checking and text autocorrecting. The main purpose of MS Word, it allows user to type, it allows user to format the document, it allows user to edit the document, it allows user to compose the document, it allows user to save the document, and it also allows user to print that document. Composition and editing. Microsoft Word allows user to type words, sentences, and paragraphs, much like a typewriter. However, Microsoft Word allows you to edit your words after typing them. For example, you can correct spelling, grammar, you can change words, you can delete them or add words, or even move entire block of text to other part of the document. Formatting and saving. Microsoft Word contains many features that will allow you to format your text using boldface type, italics, underlining, headers and footers, bullets and numbering. The program will also allow you to save your document electronically to the computer's hard drive so that the computer or the document can be reopened at a later date. It allows printing. Microsoft Word can also help print your document. With Word, you can select printing options such as choosing the printer and you wish to print on or selecting how many copies of the document you want to print. These are the steps to open Microsoft Word. From the desktop, you have to click on the Start menu. After that, select All Programs option. From the menu, select Microsoft Office and from there choose Microsoft Word 2010. If you don't have 2010 version, you can work on 2007 or else you can work on 2013 also. Now, if you don't want to follow these steps, there are other steps also to open Microsoft Word. You can again click on the Start button. You can type WinWord in the search box and you can open Microsoft Word. Another option is if you have a Microsoft Word icon available on the desktop. Just double click on it and open the Word window. See, this is your desktop. Click on the start button, or you can select Microsoft Word 2010 from the list and you can open it also. This is another way of opening Microsoft Word or starting Microsoft Word. Now here is the Word window or the components of Word window 2010. Let's start discussing. File tab. The File tab replaces the Office button from Word 2007. You can click it to check the backstage view. This is where you come when you need to open or save files, create new documents, print a document and do other file related operations. Then you have Quick Access toolbar. This you will find just above the File tab. This is a convenient resting place for the most frequently used commands in Word. You can customize this toolbar based on your comfort. Then you have Ribbon. Ribbon contains commands organized in three components: tabs, groups, and commands. Tabs, these appear across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands like home, insert, page layout. Then groups. They organize related commands. Each group name appears below the group on the ribbon. For example, group of commands related to fonts or group of commands related to alignment. Then you have commands. Commands appear within each group as mentioned above. Then you have title bar. This lies in the middle and at the top of the window. Title bar shows the program and document titles. Then you have ruler. Word has two rulers, a horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. The horizontal ruler appears just beneath the ribbon and is used to set margins and tab stops. The vertical ruler, it appears on the left edge of the Word window and is used to gauge the vertical position of elements on the page. Then we have help. The help icon can be used to get word related help anytime you like. This provides nice tutorial on various subjects related to Word. Then we have zoom controls. Zoom controls, just see at the bottom you have zoom controls, the plus sign and the minus sign. It lets you zoom in for a closer look at your text. The zoom control consists of a slider that you can slide left or right to zoom in or zoom out. You can click the plus button to increase or decrease the zoom factor. By clicking on the plus or the minus sign, you can increase or decrease the zoom by 10% every time when you click on it. Then you have view buttons. The group of 5 buttons located to the left of the zoom control near the bottom of the screen lets you switch through the words various document views. The first one is the print layout view. This displays pages exactly as they will appear when we print them. Then you have full screen reading view. This gives a full screen view of the document. Then you have web layout view, that is, it shows how a document appears when viewed by a web browser, that is your Internet Explorer or your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Then you have outline view. This lets you work with outlines established using word standard and heading styles. Then you have draft view. This format text as it appears on the printed page with few exceptions like headers and footers are not shown, and most people prefer this mode. Then we have document area or the typing area. This is the area where you type. The flashing line which you can see here is known as the insertion point and it represents the location where text will appear when you type. Then you have a status bar. This bar displays the document information as well as the insertion point location. From left to right, this bar contains the total number of pages and the words in the document or languages, etc. And you can configure the status bar by right clicking anywhere on it and by selecting or you can say deselecting options from the provided list. Then we have dialog box launcher, and this appears as a very small arrow in the lower right corner, in fact, of many groups in on the ribbon, and clicking this button opens a dialog box or task pane that provides more options about this group. So I hope all these components are clear to you. We'll discuss about the backstage view also, which was introduced in it is introduced in Word 2010 only. And getting to the backstage view is easy. You just have to click on this file tab located at the top upper left corner of the Word ribbon. If you already do not have any open document, then you will see a window listing about the recently opened documents, and you can save your file from here, your document from here, or you can open up a blank document, or you can exit this. And the backstage view will have few options as save, save as, open, close, then info. It will have recent, new, print, etc. So all this you will get here. So in our next session we will be learning about how to type text, how to format them, how to align it, and how to apply different formatting to the text. So I hope all this is clear to you. I just want you all to explore Word window, and we'll meet in the next class, next session very soon. So till then, thank you.